It's made out of exactly the same material as a jumping castle or a children's bounce house.
We'd seen on the internet a bunch of jumping castles and enclosures, and we thought, why can't we build that as our grip blasting enclosure?
So we're here in Bayswater, Melbourne at Siemens Australian headquarters. We're standing inside our inflatable grit blasting enclosure that we use on sites around the country. My name is Matthew Kappa. I'm a project engineer here in Melbourne.
My name's Andrew Beaver and I'm the project manager for the grit blasting enclosure. The problem that we have is that in the past we've set up grit blasting enclosures that are built out of scaffolding and plastic sheeting.
It would take a team of personnel several days to erect, dozens of rolls of tape, dozens of rolls of plastic, and scaffolding that, the cost of renting that scaffolding costs the business money.
The plastic sheeting doesn't survive from the weather, and we have a lot of grit contamination leaving the enclosure. And also too, we have people working at height.
It's not a dedicated structure, it's not designed for that task. We were making it work with what we had, and it required people being up in the air, and that's really what we wanted to eliminate.
So what we've done is we've built an inflatable grit blasting enclosure that's reusable and sealable, that doesn't require people to work at heights.
It's 6 metres wide by 10 metres long and 6 metres tall. We can roll this out in maybe an hour and a half when it first arrives on site. It inflates up and there's no need for anybody up in the air or anything else. It seals in perfectly. It's a wonderful solution. This fits in neatly to the zero harm culture philosophy here at Siemens by eliminating the need for people to be working at height and by eliminating the environmental risk by capturing all the dust and sealing it very, very well. I guess this is a testament to there's always a solution. That if you observe a problem or you see something that's a little bit not right or can be better, that there's always a way to be a little bit creative and come up with something that perhaps you didn't think of before. Like, who would have thought that a jumping castle could be applied to industrial situations?